Hey everyone, welcome to Tutoring. So with exam period coming up, I thought I should talk about something related to it. And of course, today's video is going to be a special one. We're going to be talking about the top 5 best food to eat before your exams. Let's roll. Food number 1, bananas. Bananas are an excellent source of food to eat before an exam because they release the energy slowly, bit by bit. A great comparison is a chocolate bar where, unlike bananas' slow releasing form, chocolate bars release the energy rapidly and very quickly, which might sound good, but in reality, you will lose concentration towards the end of your exam period, especially in your English exam or your methods and your specialist tech active exams, the 2-hour, 15 minutes one. Bananas, they give you energy slowly and you definitely want to keep concentrated and fully focused towards the end of your exam. So eat that with some Wheat Bix in the morning, your breakfast before your exams, and you'll be perfectly set up to do your exams. Food number 2, eggs. A protein with little fat. What more can you ask for? Protein helps satiate the appetite by keeping your blood sugar level steady, preventing sudden cravings for high sugar level food, and of course preventing dips in energy levels during your exams. This will aid in keeping you focused and stimulated during your test. Food number 3, salmon. It's been well documented that greasy food is a no-go for your exams, mainly because of the high level of fats. But if you're really desperate for fats, for whatever reason, you should try salmon. These orange made for sushi fish contain healthy fats such as the omega-3 nutrients. And if you're from an Asian family, you know omega-3 is the bomb. By that, I mean they boost your functioning capacity. Food number 4, green vegetables. Green vegetables contain heaps of fibers which help slow down digestion. And similar to bananas, they release the energy slowly, helping you avoid those energy peaks and troughs, aka sugar crash and mind blanks. Vegetables such as broccolis will surely boost that ATAR. And to finish off our list, we've got food number 5, nuts. Go nuts with it. Hazelnuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachios, any of those will help improve your nervous system. Nuts have been found to contain high levels of zinc and magnesium, which help reduce stress level during stressful period. They reduce stress, so why nuts? And that ends my top 5 list for best food to eat before the exams. In the end, no matter what you eat, you must eat. Going into an exam with an empty stomach is a no-no. You definitely do not want to be that person with a roaring stomach in the quiet exam hall. But aside from that, thanks for watching guys, and all the best in your exams. And I'll see you next time.